Who wants sushi? Making sushi at home is easier than you think. You don't even need a rolling mat if you don't have one. If you try any of these recipes, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Homemade sushi is so fun and so versatile, you can basically stuff your rolls with anything you want. A lot of people think that you have to have fish in a sushi roll to make it sushi, but sushi actually refers to a style of rice, so as long as you're eating sushi rice, you're eating sushi. Speaking of that rice, let's make some.
I like making my sushi rice in the Instant Pot, but you can definitely do this on the stovetop instead. First, you want to rinse your sushi rice, then put it into the Instant Pot with plenty of water. Cook it at pressure, and then transfer it to a bowl and toss it with seasoned rice vinegar and agave nectar. Once the rice is cool enough to handle, you're ready to roll.
A rolling mat certainly helps you make your sushi rolls, but you don't need one. To make a basic sushi roll, first place your nori shiny side down on your cutting board. Then scatter the sushi rice all over and press it down so it covers the whole piece of nori except for a 1-inch strip along one edge. On the opposite end of that strip is where you're gonna layer your toppings. You want them to go from end to end and even stick out a little bit beyond. Now you're ready to roll. Starting on the end with the fillings, roll it up and use your hands to press gently so that you get a nice tight roll. The trick is finding that sweet spot where you're pressing firmly enough that the roll stays together, but not so hard that the nori splits. After you do a couple rolls, you'll get the hang of it. Roll it up almost to the end, and then stop before you get to that 1-inch strip. Moisten your fingertips in a little bit of water, and then use your fingertips to moisten the end of that strip. Then finish rolling and kind of roll back and forth a little bit over that area, and that's gonna seal your roll closed. Then moisten your knife, slice your sushi into whatever size pieces you want, and you're ready to eat. Do you need some ideas for what to put in your vegan sushi rolls? I got you.
First up is this crispy tofu sushi. You make the crispy tofu in the oven, then pile it on with pickled carrots and creamy avocado and crunchy green onion. Roll, slice, and then top it with some sriracha mayo and sesame seeds. This is so delicious, and you can totally mix and match the veggies. Next up is this succulent mango sushi. This one is so easy, no cooking required. Just layer mango, avocado, and green onion into your sushi rolls and slice them up. You can top them with sesame seeds for some protein and crunch if you want, or skip it if sesame seeds aren't your thing. If you like sweet potato, you're gonna love sweet potato sushi. You cook, peel, and slice your sweet potato, then layer it into sushi rolls with avocado and green onion. Yum! Teriyaki sushi is packed with flavor from baked teriyaki tofu. While that bakes, you have plenty of time to slice up crunchy cucumber, red pepper, and green onion. It is such an amazing mix of textures and flavors. Kimchi sushi is a little bit of an offbeat recipe, but it is so delicious. It uses crunchy cucumber and carrots with creamy avocado and lots of spicy kimchi. This sushi is made for kimchi lovers. If you're looking for restaurant-style veggie rolls, I've got you. Cucumber, avocado, green onion, pickled carrots, and crunchy panko combine to make a fully loaded veggie sushi roll that's even better than takeout, and so much cheaper.
I hope that this video gave you tons of ideas and inspiration for how to make your own vegan sushi at home. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!